To find out which program start at the startup, you move your mouse to the taskbar, right-click, select Task Manager, click it, and then you select Startup here. So you can sort it by the startup impact. The highest one, the one that you want to disable first. For example, this program is for the video card. So you actually don't need that at the startup. You can disable it. And the second one, you need that. But the third one, I don't think I need that to start at the startup. And that's the audio, so you need audio. You need the antivirus. But for QuickTime, you don't need it run at the startup. And of course, this one item maybe you don't need. And of course, I disable all of them because if you want to use Spotify, you can double-click to open it. You don't need it to start at the startup. So that's all for how to clean the startup program. Next, you need to uninstall the program that you not use. So you click here, go to Control Panel, click Control Panel, and then you can change that to Category. And from here, you have Uninstall Program. So normally, you choose the size of the program first to see which program has used the most size, but you don't need, so you can free some hard disk for you. And also some program has some background running, so it can, after you delete that, you can let your computer running faster. For example, I don't think the level of system update I need that. I don't think I need that. And you just select it, select uninstall. Oh, you need other user. Doesn't matter, you just click continue, then you can uninstall that. You can use your USB drive as a memory. So to doing that, you can add a memory to your PC without open your PC case. So now I have a USB drive insert in my PC port, and right click, property. Now you can see I have 43 gigabytes available. So you go to Ready Boost. Use this device. It will give you around 32 gigabytes more memory for your PC. Click Apply. After you click Apply, you will see a new file appear in your USB drive. So this one, select Property. It's around 32 gigabytes. So that 32 gigabytes will work as your memory. Click OK. So that's it. So if you want to undo that, you go back to your USB drive, Property, Ready Boost, and select do not use this drive. After you click Apply, this one will disappear. Then go back to General. You see you still have 43 gigabytes space available. clean up your hard disk. You just go to this PC, and from here you can see the hard disk list. Select this one, and remember you need at least 15% free space to let the operating system running smoothly. That means if you run out of space, your PC will running very slow. So right click that, go to Properties, General, Disk Clean Up. And make sure you check this one, Clean Up System Files. It will calculate the system files. See, this update cleanup, it can give you 3 GB more disk space. And also, you need to check temporary files and recycle bins. Click OK. Delete files. It will clean up your hard disk and give you more space. So normally it will take about 2 hours, 10 minutes, depends on how big you need to clean up. So I'll cancel that now to go to next section. So next, you need to do the hard disk defragment. So go to this PC, local disk, right-click Properties, and from here, go to Tools. You can check the drive for file system errors. Check it, run the scan the hard drive. It will take about 5.5 hours. So I will cancel that right now and go to the next one, defragment drive. Click Optimize, select the hard disk, click Optimize. So my hard disk is SSD hard drive. Some people said that you don't need to do that. Actually, you can do that, and it is very fast. You only take about 1 minute to do that. But for SATA drive, maybe it takes about half hours. So it's finished. Just close that and click OK. You can also run system file checker. So from here, you just type in CMD and right-click that, run as administrator. It will ask you the password for your administrator. And then you just type in sfc space dash scan now. So it will begin the system scan, and the process will take some time. So it really depends on how big your hard disk. So normally it will take about 10 to half hours. So I will close that and go to the next section. If your Windows was upgraded from previous version of Windows, you'd better to check the compatibility of your program. To do that, open a File Explorer, and from here, this PC, right click it, go to Properties. At the bottom, you can see Security and Maintenance. And same here, same location, Windows Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. So from here, you click Advanced, Run as Administrator. Go to Next. And find the list that's installed in your computer, the program list. For example, if this program was installed in previous version of Windows, you can check that if it is compatible with the current version of Windows. By the way, Microsoft Windows still offer free upgrade from the Windows 8 to Windows 10. You can check my channel for the video how to upgrade for free from Windows 8 to Windows 10. Okay, let's start this one. Click Next. So you can use a troubleshoot program and select which problem you have. For example, but it doesn't display correctly. Click Next. Error message. Maybe the first one is the error message you have. Go to Next. And then at this time you test the program. If it is open correctly and running correctly, you just close it and click Next. And then you save this setting for this program. Fixed, close. That's how to check the compatibility of the program. You can also adjust the virtual effects to make your PC faster, and you just type in performance, and from here you can see the adjust appearance and the performance of Windows. Click that, and the first one, by default it's let Windows choose which one is best for you, but you can also adjust for best performance. Select this and it will uncheck everything that make your computer slowly, and then you go to Apply. Then click OK. So that's how to adjust the virtual effects. So sometimes if your computer running slowly, maybe some virus and malware is affect your computer. So I recommend you use the malware bytes. It is a free software, and running it to your computer and check if you have some issue with your computer. And also, don't install more than one virus protection software on your computer. That will really slow down your computer. So if you have a virus and you use antivirus software cannot delete those viruses, what's the best solution for you is to restore to previous point of your computer. So you just right-click this PC, go to Property. It will bring you to the control panel system. And from here, you have a System Protection option. Click it. And now you can select System Restore. Go to next. Select the date that you think is good for you and don't have errors on that, and go to next. And only for this C drive, and go to next. And you just click finish, it will restore that PC for you, and you will be good. You can also use Windows Experience index score to check your hardware, to see if you need change your hardware to make your computer running faster. So this method also works for you when you try to purchase a new computer. You just ask them to run the Windows Experience index score in the demo computer and see if this computer is good for you. To do that, you go to here, type CMD, and type WinSAT space formal. Press enter. It will using the assessment tools to run the scan your computer hardware. So it will only run in about 30 seconds. And after that, you can see it from the folder. So now it finished running the index. So now you go to PC, and it's under C drive, Windows, Performance, WinSAT, DataStore. And then you select the date that you run in that tools, and now you find this one, formal data assessment recent, today's date. Right click, open with Internet Explorer, and you can see here that's your base score. That's the lowest score of the whole system check. My lowest score is graphic, so maybe I need to add a good graphic card for that. But remember, if your lower score is memory, you can add more memory, and maybe you need to change the CPU, and maybe if this one is your lower score, maybe you change your hard drive to SSD hard drive. It's very fast. And that's how you check the Windows Experience index score. And remember, if the base score is less than 2 over 3, you definitely need to change your hardware.